Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As because of COVID-19 pandemic, again the school and colleges are closed and online classes are started. So through this video I just want to help you in your studies, and today in this video I am going to explain about parts of a plant. So I request all of you to listen and watch the video carefully and do the homework that I am going to give you today. So today's lesson name is parts of a plant. And in most of our house there are plants, and we know that plants cannot grow without soil, and plants need air, water and sunlight to prepare their food. So this is the plant, and plant is mainly divided into two parts, shoot and root. And this is soil, so the portion above the soil is called shoot and the portion below the soil is called root. And shoot consists leaf, fruit, bud, flower, stem and branch. So first we are going to discuss about the root. So root is one of the most important part of the plant, and you'll see that the portion below the soil is called root. The roots support the plant to stand upright. Okay? And root provide water, minerals and nutrition to the uppermost part of the plant. Roots are mainly two types. One is taproot and other one is fibrous root. So what is taproot? Taproot has one big or main root and many thin branches at its side. See, this is the carrot, and we know that the root part of this carrot are edible. So see, this is the main root, okay, and you can see that many thin branches at its side. So carrot is one of the example of taproot. Like carrot, radish, then beetroot, all these are the examples of taproot. Next is fibrous root. So fibrous root has no main root or big root like a taproot. It has many thin branches that are grow at the base of the stem. So you can see this is the onion, and there are many thin branches that are grow at the base of the stem. So onion is one of the example of fibrous root, because you can see here there is no main root. Okay. So like onion, rice and maize, all these are the example of fibrous root. So the questions you have to write down is that what are the different parts of a plant? Then question number 2, what is root? And question number 3, what are the different types of root? Name them. And two drawing you have to draw. First you have to draw this drawing. You have to draw a plant, then you have to show the different parts of a plant. So this is your first drawing. You have to draw in your practical copy. And second drawing you have to draw 2 taproot and 2 fibrous root. And this is also you have to draw in your practical copy. Our next topic is what are the functions of root? Functions of root. Roots hold the plant firmly in the soil. You can see here that the root only hold the plant. Okay, so this is the first function of the root, that root hold the plant. Next, number 2, roots suck water from the soil and send it to upper parts of the plants. The roots suck water from the soil and then it send the water to the uppermost part of the plant. Third number is roots of some plants store extra food in them. Okay. Carrot, and we know that carrot is a taproot, and carrot store extra food, and you have to write one question answer from this topic, that functions of root, that give the function of root. So in today's video we have discussed about that plants are mostly divided into two parts, root and shoot, and we also discussed that root is mainly two types, one is taproot and another one is fibrous root. and we have discussed about the function of the roots. And whatever the questions I have given you, please you have to write down the question answer in your science practical copy, and you have to draw the drawings also in practical copy and share your homework with me. In my next video, I am going to discuss with you all about the shoot. So thank you for watching my video and take care. And if you like the video, then like, share, comment and do subscribe my channel.